said, we felt so well taken care of here at the Hyatt Regency in Cologne. We loved it so much, and also the location was perfect. A brief walk across the river, and then we were right there at the Cologne Cathedral and in the Christmas markets. I would come back here again and again. Healthy start to my day. Cheesecake and some other Danish covered in sugar and sweet cream and more sugar. In particular, the breakfast was outstanding. They had eggs to order and omelets, but then there was just the most insane amount of food. I mean, really everything that you can imagine was there. Every kind of bread, every kind of vegetable, all kinds of marmalades and relishes. There were cold cuts, there were pastries. It just went on, including all-you-can-drink mimosas. Not that I did that. All of this, of course, was included as globalists, but even if we weren't globalists, I would totally recommend paying for this breakfast. You can't go wrong.
Hyatt Regency breakfast.
It's very expansive and exciting.
Sauna behind over there, showers up, and a hot tub. Is it warm? Oh, it started actually. So we booked at the Hyatt Regency in Cologne. We got 2 rooms side by side, and Julian's going to show us what we got.
So 646 and
647. This is the top floor of the Hyatt Regency, which has club lounge access, which is nice.
And I think it's only for club lounge people because it's just out in the open and they never check you. So I'm pretty sure that's what you get. So here is mom and dad's room. So first off, you got a pretty good view of the Ferris wheel over there. During nighttime, it has lights. That. Now in here, we have a humongous bathtub, which I have used, a nice mirror, good shower, and a toilet. They all work great.
Mm-hmm.
Now over here,
King
we
bed.
have a king-size bed, which is very comfortable. Bed test. Very bouncy.
Minibar is included with club lounge access. That's right in there.
And in the mini bar we have wine, water, Coca-Cola, Toblerone, and Snickers.
The wine, I think, was a welcome gift for us. I don't know if it's always stocked in there. We just haven't drunk it yet.
You also have a safe. We haven't really been using that. I only use. Have we? Well, this is where you can make like tea and coffee. I don't know. I'm not really the biggest coffee person.
The club lounge down the way, you can get double espresso, so that's what we've been doing in the morning. You want to show us your room, buddy?
Yeah, and great view and table to work at and mom.
Something that I appreciate is that the windows actually do open a little bit so you can get fresh air in.
Yeah. But it can be kind of loud at night. And it and it goes pretty far back, and it feels like it's gonna collapse on you. It's very good. So now we're in this room. Same thing, different layout. We both got big TVs, but I feel like we never used those.
Kind of a mirror image of the other room, but we
Yeah.
just twist.
Same tub, haven't used this one. Shower, toilet, close the toilet lid, and sink. Also, in the sink, sometimes it gets closed on accident and you can't figure out how to close it. Behind here, you can press it down to open it. So it's not a big pile of your just shaved off beer stuff. Barometer. And again, minibar, save. Oh, this one has some beer and bottle opener. You'll need that. Orange juice, apple juice, and you can get like all the stuff at the club lounge as well.
Yep.
And
Pretty cool.
some glasses. I didn't cover this in the other room. How do you get down there? Oh, you can't open that. Yeah, 2 fingers up there now. Same thing.